So here we are, we've got a little bit of fine emery paper. You don't need to go mad at it. It's just to give it a little clean. Make sure it's clean. I've actually got a little brush for doing this as well. It's just to take the dirt off it. You don't need to go mad. It just needs to be clean, not terribly shiny. Moving on to the flywheel side of it, it's just the same. I don't need to take the flywheel off, we just need to give it a clean, which I've always done, and it works for me. The magnetic side of it, you can see the tube. It's in there, it's reasonably clean. It's got a non-magnetic side, which is just a counterweight. And we'll just get that a little clean, make sure there's nothing on it. Just make sure it's nice and clean and we can assemble that back.